Question number 4. The wheels of a car are of diameter 80 cm each. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? Given diameter of the wheels of a car is equal to 80 centimeter. Radius of the wheel of a car is equal to 80 divided by 2. R is equal to 40 centimeter. Circumference of the wheel is equal to 2 pi r, that is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 40, that is 22 jar 22 2 jar 44 into 40 divided by 7. Circumference of the wheel is equal to 1760 divided by 7, and speed of car is equal to 66 kilometer per hour. Wheel makes in 10 minutes. Distance covered in 10 minutes. That is 66 into 10 upon 60. 11 kilometer per hour. 11 kilometer per hour change in centimeter, that is equal to 11 into 1000 into 100 is equal to 11,123,450 centimeter. So number of revolutions is equal to distance covered in 10 minutes divided by circumference of wheel. Of the wheel, that is equal to is equal to 11,000,000 divided by 1760 and whole divided by 7. This implies 11,000,000 into 7 divided by 1760. 10 is cancelled and this is equal to 7 7 1 2 3 4 divided by 176. 11 7 jar 11 1 jar 11 and 6 11 6 jar 70000 divided by 16. 16 4 jar 64. 6 0 3 jar 48. 12 0. 16 7 jar 112. 8 0 16 5 jar 80. That is equal to 4375. Answer. Given diameter of the wheels of a car is 80 centimeter and radius of wheel of car is 80 divided by 2, that is 40. Radius is equal to 40 centimeter and circumference of the wheel, circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 40. 22 into 2, that is 44. 44 into 40. 44 into 40, that is equal to 0. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16 plus 170. 1760 divided by 7. Circumference of wheel is equal to 1760 divided by 7 and speed of car is equal to 66 km per hour. Given speed of car is 66 km per hour and distance covered in 10 minutes. 66 into 10 upon 60. 0 is cancelled. 6 11 km per hour and we are changing in kilometer to centimeter. 11 into 1000 into 10. 11 into 1000 into 100, that is 11 lakhs centimeter and number of revolutions is equal to distance covered in 10 minutes divided by circumference of the wheel. Distance covered in 10 minutes is 11 lakhs divided by 1760 upon 7. 7 multiplying by numerator and divides 1760. 0 is cancelled and 77 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 7, that is 77. 1 2 3 4 zeros divided by 176 and we are dividing this by 11. 11 sevens are 77 and 11 multiplied by 16 is equal to 176 and we are dividing 70,000 by 16. We get 4375. Answer. Question number 5. Pick the correct answer in the following and justify your choice. If the circumference and the area of circle are numerically equal, then the radius of circle is. Let r be the radius of circle? Circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r, and area of circle is equal to pi r square. Circumference and the area of circle are numerically equal. According to question, circumference of circle is equal to area of circle. 2 pi r is equal to pi r square. Pi is cancelled and 1 power r is cancelled. R is equal to 2 units. Let r be the radius of circle and circumference of circle, as we know that circumference of circle equal to 2 pi r and the area of circle is equal to pi r square, and circumference of circle is equal to area of circle. According to question, circumference and area of circle are numerically equal. Then the radius of circle. Circumference of circle 2 pi r is equal to pi r square. Pi is cancelled and r 2 power 1 power r raised to power 1, that is r. R is equal to 2. Then radius of circle is equal to 2 units. Option A. Option A is correct answer. Thank you so much.